Well, hello everyone. Welcome. I hope everybody having a great day today. Guys, as you can see, I am at a state park. This is Fort Yago Park. Right here. Today, my friend is teaching me how to use the dump and how to fill up. We're at the dump station. Showing me how. And how to fill up the tank. Here it costs $50. So while I'm here, let's check out the bathroom. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that top bell. Ding ding, so you can get notifications of my video. So guys, how you been doing? Drop in the comments. Guys, I think I'm gonna get an RV. I'm just gonna throw that up in the air. I would love to have an RV. See, that's the men's. This is one of the bathrooms. And this is a shower. Nice size shower. Changing. Dresser there. Where you can hang. Let's go out here. There's a lot of people out here camping. And let's go in the women's bathroom, the big one. Okay. This is a shower. Got a door and plus a shower curtain. And a chair you can sit. Nice. Let's see how the water go. Flow. Let me turn it the other way so it won't get on me. It's pretty good flow. Pretty good pressure. And you don't have to have coins or tokens here to take a shower. See here. Nice side. Got a chair there to sit. Got a big full mirror. Hi everybody doing? Tell you one thing, guys, it is hot. It is about 94 or 5 degrees. It's a lot of people camping. While I'm here, I gotta check out these. Ooh, something went by me, sound like a snake. So my friend trying to learn too. We might try to invest, going together. So the water that you just poured down through there came out. No pets or tent in the yard area. Guys, once again, don't forget to hit that like button and that share button and that top bell. Ding, ding, so you can get notification of my video. Because guess what, guys? Van life and nomad life. It's great. Sure, yeah, we could. Okay, that'll be great. Okay. Oh, my friend was saying We should have got a key so we can look inside. So she said we're going to come out tomorrow so we can see. Once she wanted to get some boy from the youth and bring them out here. Let's see. See if it... No, it's not open. Let's take a peep. Ooh. Know you got air. One right by the lake. Got your grill, got your fire pit. It's nice. Whatever hang there. And you're right by the lake. So nice and so refreshing. So relaxing out here. Just go out here. Picnic table, picnic area. And you could go fishing. Yay! Just look, guys. I'm going to give you an all-around shot. But they are working on this park. They got a swimming where you can swim and rent boats. They are working on the swimming area. They're trying to get everything out of it. Well, you know, like trash, whatever might be in it. And they cleaning it out, so it's closed to swim in it for now. And the boat runner is closed. Oh, here are some boats here. Hi, how are you doing? Enjoying yourself? Oh, look at the little ducks. Can you see the ducks? This lake is real big. It goes all the way around. You can get some boats there. There go some people. I think they're getting ready to go canoeing. This is nice. Nice area. I hope everybody having a great day. And I want to thank you once again for all your blessings, all your prayers. Guys, I hope to be on the road soon. We are trying to get some things together. I'm trying to come up with some ideas. Our next video is going to be, I'm going to try to learn how to ride a horse. Yes, I am. The pastor, he said he got 8 horses. So he's going to learn me how to ride. That's the pastor RV up there. He's learning us.
You gotta remember how to get back and forth.
I know. He's learning us how to dump, how to get water. It's a walk area over that way. They do have bike trails. You can fish. I don't know if he's gonna wash his RV today. Look like he's rinsing it off. But we're gonna help him clean it up, and he want me to renovate it. And that is the pastor with his cowboy hat on. He got horses and everything. Sorry about the noise, but they do leave buckets out here so you can get your stuff out the car and roll it to your campsite. Riding her bike, coming back fishing. Since he's rinsing off, I'm gonna go take you guys on a little walk. See what's the RVs out here. You catch anything? No. Nah? Oh. Maybe next time. Look at the little squirrel. Hop, hop, hop. So guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell. Ding, ding. Share my videos, guys. It will help me a lot. Yes, I need to come back. It will help, well, all YouTubers out by sharing, by liking, by watching the videos to the end. Yes. Say on duty. That's cute. It's nice out here. Firewood. A lot of firewood. It is hot. I like the way that tent made round. I'm going to turn around and go back. Well, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Sorry. Oops, blooper. Guess what, guys? Van life. Yeah. Woo. Nomad life. Yeah. Woo. Happy life. Yeah. Woo. I want everybody to have a blessed one. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye. I love all you guys and miss you dearly.